Just a couple things I want to cover here at the main page of SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com. First off, we have our blog linked here. You can also find it up here at the top. I did write a book. We finally got that finished and published, so you can click on this page and get to where you can purchase the book on Kindle, or if you want to get the print edition, on Amazon right here. So feel free to do that. In addition, one of the things that I always post up is daily inventory for Santa Clarita Valley. And if you come here, you can just click on the View More, and then you'll see every single listing for sale in the Santa Clarita Valley as of the day that you look at it. So the ones that don't have pictures, or the ones that haven't had pictures entered into the system, that takes sometimes 24 to 48 hours, but agents have to do it. If not, they get fined. If you go through here, though, you can see everything that happens to be listed for sale. Go through, and you can also change the criteria if you would like, and change it from reflecting newest to the longest on market properties, which might be a good indicator for you buyers out there looking to get a better deal on real estate. These might be much more negotiable, but again, pay attention to these little arrows here. It'll give you an idea on if they've had some kind of a price reduction in the last several months, or when they were put on the market for sale. But you can see those and then gather an idea. And then you can find out what properties have been on the market longer, and if they happen to fit your criteria, maybe a good strategy would be for you to have your agent approach those and then try to figure out where they are comparable wise with other properties that have closed in the last 180 days. So when you make your offer, you can have that offer put together, and your agent is able to present that to the seller's agent. Because if you just go in with an offer that's lower than the seller might have intended on taking without any verification of comparables or value, what's going to end up happening is you're probably going to end up irritating them, and they're not going to respond at all. And realistically, real estate is about just getting them to respond in counteroffer form. Then you can take it from there and then hopefully negotiate a great deal. And you sellers out there, try to be a little nimble. I know sometimes sellers get a little irritated at where the offers that are coming in, what those levels are. But look at the comps, look at the market, and then make a decision. Is now the best time for you, or do you want to wait it off? Again, we don't know what the future is going to reveal. And with regard to selling Santa Clarita real estate, sometimes when we get into that more competitive market, albeit more buyers are out there, so you get more of that multiple offer strategy on your property, you're going to have more competition yourself. There's going to be other houses in your neighborhood offered for sale, and God forbid another seller needing a fire sale or wanting to get it done really quickly because of the 3Ds, death, divorce, disease. That could be a problem, and then really do a reset for that entire neighborhood, lowering those values overall. I'm Connor with Honor. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Over and out.